Hey everyone! Today I'm stepping outside of my comfort zone, trying my hand at a different medium. This time I'm working with paint on a bigger canvas. I actually like trying different mediums. Now, I usually work on sketchbooks or separate papers, and I tried once or twice decorating and painting potteries. And I painted some flowers on fabrics like cushion and tablecloth. And I had this piece of wood from years ago. It was from an old furniture. I think this type of wood is called plywood in English. Anyway, I kept this piece and another one because I wanted to paint on them. And it wasn't until 2 months ago when we painted a room in our house. And after finishing, there was some paint left. I'm talking about the white paint because the red and blue ones, I got them even before. It was like I was collecting leftovers to make this happen. Leftover piece of wood and leftover paint. So I could simply call this work the leftovers work or the leftovers artwork or the leftovers art project. That sounds better. Honestly, I'm glad I did it, and I didn't really care about the results because I thought, how bad could it be? So, after I painted the surface with white paint, I took my time mixing colors, and I realized mixing colors is like 50% of the fun. I aimed for two colors, pink and purple, but the purple I got was too dark. I didn't like it. So I kept adding white, adding red, adding blue until I got the purple in the middle. And it was a pleasing, delicious, beautiful color. I wished it was edible. I started with a straight line of pink paint in the middle, and I used the paintbrush to spread the pink paint, on the upper of this work. And then I tried to make some irregular lines, parallel but not having the same length. Just wanted to give it some random look. And then I did the same thing with purple paint. And using this fork, I tried to add some pattern to the white space because I thought I need to put something at the end of those strokes. And what I did here is that I took the three paint colors, the white, pink, and purple, and I dipped the brush so that the three colors are on it because I wanted to give it a nice color effect, as you can see. I think this technique is called double load or double loading, and it simply allows you to paint using more than one color in one stroke. I've seen some artists using this technique but with a small flat brush, and it was extremely beautiful. I had some pink glitter or sparkle, and I thought adding it on top of the flowers would give it some nice bling bling, but it didn't. It was a nice touch though from a close up, but it didn't really make a difference. I mean, it wasn't obvious from afar. I made some flowers with a big brush, and then I added some small cute flowers because this was the first time working on a large canvas. Of course, this is large for me. I was excited and I went outside to record the video. Needless to say, I caught a cold because the weather was cold outside. But still, I love it. And I thought about painting the other side of this piece of wood with the paint left. So if you like this video, stay tuned to see the other side and see you soon.